Number 15, lot F227, is a 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS with a 396 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed transmission. And it sold for $51,700 on Friday, June 5th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 14,888 miles, and the exterior color is white, interior color is white. And the highlights: 396 cubic inch V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, factory air conditioning car, currently not equipped with a compressor, aluminum radiator, electric fan, Bluetooth radio, and new rally wheels. And it's nice to see a 396 Chevelle Super Sport with a 4-speed. A lot of them had the automatic. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.